This video I'm going to walk you through how to delete public story on Snapchat. So the first thing you do is open up your Snapchat, and next thing you tap on the message chat icon at the bottom here to bring us here from the camera. The next thing we do is tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, then scroll down. We want to delete public story, so you go to your public story, and at the bottom here you have the option for delete, so you can delete it or delete it here. Do you want to permanently delete this snap, but its metric will still count towards the story? If you do, tap on delete. It's as simple as that.